Welcome to 508 Rorer Avenue SW in the heart of downtown Roanoke, a one-of-a-kind industrial shop space that perfectly blends heritage and modern functionality. Formerly the Price Filler Machine Shop, this recently renovated building from 1920 retains its historical charm while offering a full suite of contemporary upgrades tailored to meet today's business needs. With a whopping 3,690 square feet, you'll find a spacious and adaptable industrial area with high ceilings and ample floor space, perfect for a variety of commercial, retail, or industrial uses. The property also features a newly updated office space, providing a comfortable and professional setting for daily operations. A fully renovated bathroom adds to the convenience and functionality, while additional amenities bring modern comfort to this classic building. The shop floor itself has also been meticulously renovated, offering 240-volt three-phase electrical, leveled concrete floors, and many other shop amenities. Every detail has been carefully considered to offer both character and efficiency, making it a unique space that can adapt to your specific business requirements. 508 Rorer Avenue SW is a rare opportunity, a historic building that's been thoughtfully updated to support modern industrial or commercial use, right in the heart of Roanoke. Experience the perfect blend of the past and present with a property that's ready to meet the demands of the future. Contact us today to learn more about this exceptional space.